Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. As you can see from the title, today we're going to be cleaning in the kitchen. We're going to give the sockets and the kettle a big deep clean. So join me today. I'm going to be doing this is just a mini deep clean, so I'll look forward to a super deep clean. So this is after breakfast and I'm just putting things away, and I've just realized the kitchen itself needs a proper deep clean. But today is one of those days where I genuinely don't have that much time, so I'm just gonna do something. I tend to think if you do just something, it's better than doing nothing. So even if it's a quick 20 minutes, 30 minutes, it's better than nothing. And you tend to find that things tend to pile up if you don't do anything at all. So this is just a quick video just to motivate you just to do a little bit of something, especially those things that you've been really avoiding to do. So I tend to find I forget to clean behind the toasters, behind the kettle, especially the sockets. So today that's what I'm going to be tackling, mainly the sockets, because they really need a bit of attention. But if you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. Please consider subscribing. Here you'll find lots of content on how to clean certain things and loads of cleaning motivation for days when you don't have the motivation to get anything done. So today is just a prime example of the things that you will find on my channel. So like for example, I'm cleaning this kettle and I'm using Cif cream cleaner. I also recommend products as well, or some stuff that I highly recommend that you should try out to make life easy, especially when you dislike cleaning. And you don't have to make it a heavy task. If you can do something, and have products that work really well as well, it makes the task a lot easier. So please do consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it, and please share with your friends and leave me a comment in the section below to let me know what you are enjoying most about my channel, and I will keep pumping all the content as much as I can. So now I'm going to tackle the tiles as well. They're not as bad, but I feel like using the Cif cream cleaner can just ease the grease. But I would normally use elbow grease to remove any grease and stuff that has, that's fresh. But I used to think a Cif cream cleaner or any cream cleaner is great for hard-on grease or anything that would be there. And as you can see, I'm now tackling the sockets because they really need a bit of TLC. And I'm just going to wipe off using a damp cloth with just water, nothing else. I don't like to mix products, so that's why I would rinse it off with a damp cloth. So now onto the really bad socket. This is the fridge freezer, and I've made sure that I've turned it off. As you can see, the buildup has literally been at the top there. Sometimes we clean the part we normally, press, but then we forget the top. So I'm cleaning using elbow grease and a microfiber cloth. I find that the two of them work really well together, especially elbow grease, because it just kind of dissolves all the dust and the dirt and everything. It's my absolute favorite product as well, next to the pink stuff. And then I'm also going to do all the other sockets as well. Make sure to take off the plugs and then take them off. It's just better that way for safety's sake. But yeah, I normally spray the product onto the microfiber cloth and then wipe. So you will notice things easily come off and everything goes straight onto the microfiber cloth. But yeah, it's my favorite tip. I hope it's really helpful for you guys. And with that said, I will probably tackle the tiles underneath there straight after. But yeah, I'm running out of time, so I did not finish filming that. I had to quickly leave. But you know what? If you want more motivation, please consider subscribing to the channel and look forward to more videos. And I will be uploading again on Friday. So I upload twice a week, every Tuesday and every Friday. I hope this video and this channel basically gives you all the motivation you're looking for. And until then, guys, please check out my other videos or check out my playlist, which has got all my cleaning motivation videos. Until then, you have a lovely day. Bye.